Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tasha, and today I'm doing a 90s grunge look with the help of some Nyx Cosmetics. So I got this awesome box from Nyx Cosmetics. So grateful. This is Vinyl Club. It's got my girl Mikey up there. You know, zombie here. I ended up getting 5 of the Glazed and Confused, 5 Strictly Vinyl eyeliners, 8 Strictly Vinyl liquid lips, or lip glosses I guess, and 6 metallic glitters. So I'm super excited to play around with these. I'm hoping my lashes will dry. I don't have red lashes of the kind I want. The other kind I have are huge and they're for a something special coming up, but that's what those look like. Not really grunge, little crazy. So I just found some super cheap lashes that I honestly don't like, which is probably why the color's not sticking to them, but I wanted to give it a go. So I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. Today is a 90s grunge look, mixing some modern, like my brows are a little like fleeked out, like more modern, so it's cool to like have mix and match like some new things in there. Oh, thanks, Mrs. Potts.
That's mine.
And Chip, you want me to pour you some tea?
Yeah.
Doop, 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 doop. So some 90s, some modern, but either way, a very grunge look. So the first thing, I'm actually going to go ahead and start from the very beginning with the blank face, show you guys what I did to do my brows and my face up until this point, and then we'll start back here. So the reason I had to do the first half without me talking was because of that little dance. My husband was playing his music too loud, and yeah. So I decided to go with a wig because my hair, as you can see, is not doing great. Honey Do Me Up is what I decided to go in for primer. It is a NYX product. Just rub that in nice and dandy. And then I'm using NYX Professional Makeup's eyebrow pencil in brunette. I just outline my eyebrows like I normally do, and then instead of using brown, I go in with my e.l.f. gel liner to make black brows. I feel like it goes with the grunge look more, and it also matches the roots of the wig. So that's that. For cleanup, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just cleaning these suckers up. I did decide to go ahead and use the Shape Tape as a foundation. It is pretty light, and I was wanting to go for a lighter look to kind of give me that grungy, gothy appearance.
It's been a fantastic ride, but oh, dude, it is all right.
You singing?
It'd be really nice if you could not slap.
You make fun of me when I use my beauty blender. Then I'm using NYX finishing powder, HD finishing powder, to set the foundation. Going to use this NYX Professional brush number 6 to contour my face. Okay, so now I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetics Glazed and Confused in the shade Bad Blood. So this is like a creamy consistency texture. I could just do it with my fingers. I'm gonna go in with the brush though to start off with, just to see how it applies with the brush. So it is kind of like a wet consistency once you go in. Like at first it seems pretty dry
Because you're dedicated to
but then
living,
once
bro.
you get on it, go in,
Welcome to the rodeo.
and then once you go in, it's kind of wet. So first impression so far, some pretty nice pigmentation. I don't know how high out I want it to go. No. I like this is also buildable. Like you can blend it out and then you can add more to have it darker if you want it. You can blend it out to make it lighter. Alright, just to add a bit of dark to it, I'm going to go in with this purple shade called Dirty Talk. Okay, so for eyeliner, I'm going to go in with the Strictly Vinyl eyeliner in the shade Hazy. Okay, while I'm doing the lashes, I'm going to brush off the powder. And then I'm going to go with my butter bronzer just to give a little bit of warmth to the face. So the lashes that I had originally painted didn't want to go on, so I had to put another pair of the same kind on and do my best to paint them. They're still a little bit dark, but I was able to get the bands pretty good. I don't hate it. So to bring it a little bit more modern, I am going to use this metallic glitter and do some tears with it. This one is called Dubai Bronze, and I'm going to use my NYX Cosmetics glitter glue. I'm going with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I'm going to use my ColourPop Highlight Flexitarian. So I just like to use the Jumbo Eye Pencil to make it a little bit more dramatic. For lips, I am going to use the Strictly Vinyl Lip Gloss in Femme Fatale. So this is my finished look. This is my grunge, kind of gothy though too, so it's like grunge goth makeup look using the NYX Strictly Vinyl collection for the Vinyl Club. It was a lot of fun. I'm definitely digging the black lip. I think I'm going to rock it more. Well, there you have it. There is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did, you give it a big thumbs up. You know, smash that like button. As always, if you haven't already, while you're down there, click subscribe. You know, lets me know you like what I'm doing. I did a good job. You want to see more? The whole shebang. Make sure you go check out NYX's Strictly Vinyl collection. As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye. That looks so creepy as hell.